Hey, how's everybody doing out there? Alright, so today we're gonna install some knob sights in a Chevy Suburban. They're in LEDs, 6000K LEDs. A little fan in the back to keep the lights cool. Our customer brought these one, but we're not gonna use those. So I've installed on the driver's side. It's pretty easy. You take this cover, loose it off, and you just twist to the left, and the bulb comes right out. It's for on the driver's side. The driver's side is easier than the passenger side. So we're gonna put this in here. So let's put our headlights on to see what it looks like from the old type until the updated headlights. So this is our new HIDs or LEDs, and this is our regular bulb. So you guys, we're doing a little upgrade. Oh, new. Now for the passenger side, we're going to take off the airbox, which is over here. For the sample, it's going to lose our clip. And pop this up off the airflow meter, because where the wire is, or the plug is, right between there for the headlight. So we're going to take our airbox off. So let me go grab a flat tip screwdriver, and we're going to take our airbox off. Hold on 1 second. Put you guys over here while I go grab me some screwdriver. Alright. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Alright, we got our screwdriver. We're gonna take off and loose the clamp. Now, all we gotta do now is just pull the hose back, lift the airbox straight out, or in a little angle. Now moving the hose down. Come at a little angle. See you guys? So that's how we got it. Come down. I'm gonna go straight up. Let's move this out of the way. So now we have access to our. Well, so I got this one more thing. The cover right here, we can loose this little clips. Use the same flat tip screwdriver and put these little clips out. That's one. It's it looks like part of a little dust shield. That's one. The other one's in the corner. Gonna pop them up with little clips. So that way we get access to the door for the cover for the headlights. Alright. So now we have access to the headlight. Now we gotta turn, take the cover off. Alright. Same thing with the headlight. We can loose it in here. Alright, just turn it. I'll pull the headlight out. There you go, you guys. So now we're gonna press the clip. Hold on 1 second. And push the clip in. I'll put you guys right here so y'all can see what I'm doing. All right. There we go. So I put this little clip right here. Push it down. Pop the headlights right out. Now let's get our new bulb. That's what the LED light bulb look like. And this is our old one. We're gonna put our upgrades in. Let's click you in. And these are H11 bulbs, you guys. If you want to know what kind of bulb the Chevy Suburbans use for the regular the base models. If you got the LTZ, you're gonna need HID ballast. Same H11s, but it's gonna be a ballast. I might be wrong. I'm gonna have to double check it to make sure. Alright, you guys, so you screw it back in, put the cover back on, and put our clips in. Okay. This one. That's two. Alright, now we're gonna slide our airbags back in place. Show you guys over here so you guys have a better view of what I'm doing. Hold on. Alright, so this is our airbags. I'm gonna put it at an angle. Like I was gonna slide it down. I'm trying to get to that hole right there for the breather. So down. Get the hoses out the way. The cooling hose, the small hoses. Hoses out the way to the side. Now you're gonna wiggle it in. You're gonna wiggle it into place. Let's get the hose up out the way. Bring it up. While doing that, we're gonna wiggle it in. Wiggle it, wiggle, wiggle. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Let me get my 2 hands to do it in. Alright, guys, so and make sure it goes in the hole down there. Alright, push it down, lock it in. Get the hose out the way. Now we're gonna put our intake hose back on. Nice and snug. Alright. Now you get a screwdriver. I'm going to tighten our clamp. I'm going to put our mass airflow sensor on. Very important, but it's put our mass airflow sensor on. Or else the vehicle will have a check engine light and probably may not start. I put a little secure clip there. So there we go. A headlight replacement on both sides of a 2015 Chevy Suburban. Alright, let's try out our headlights. See what they look like. Alright, you guys, that's our new look with the upgraded LED headlights. Like my video. It's Dr. Dyke signing off. And everyone be safe out there. All these terrible stuff happening, man. You guys be safe. Have a good one.